zice tu cum se face, că n-ai vrăjeală în stilo. Nu-mi zice tu cum se face, că tot mai bine o fac eu. Nu-mi zice tu cum se face. Na 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 na.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is gonna be a mullet combined with a crop. I really like this combination, so let's see what comes out. I will start by sectioning the hair like this, then I will cut the first guy section. Each section will be redirected to the previous one to obtain a square shape. On the other side, I will do the same thing. On the sides, I will use the wrong graduation. In the top part, I will cut the first guide, then I will cut the rest following it. After I dry my model's hair, I will start with the fade. The steps are very simple. The first guideline, 1.5, lever open. Under the first guideline, with no guard, lever closed, the second guide. Now I will start to downfade the transition zone with my number 1 guard, lever open, then closed. To get rid of this, I will use the clipper with the lever open and halfway. And now, to connect the side with the top, I will use the scissor over comb technique. And now the outline part, I will not dig too much. On the other side, very simple, the same steps. I will move on to the styling part. I will apply matte wax on the wet hair, then I will dry it with the diffuser without touching it. In the top part I will apply volume powder and ruffle the hair for a messy look. And this is the result, guys. If you like it, don't forget to press the subscribe button and leave in the comments what haircuts you'd like to see in the next videos. See you guys, I'm out.